All right, hey folks, this baby just came in the mail. This is all the way from Canada. This is an F256jr. It is a bare board computer, a retro computer, an 8-bit computer with a 6.5 CO2. That's basically just a 6.5 CO2 is a 6502, as you would have had in a Apple II or a Commodore machine or an Atari 800 line. This particular one I think runs at around 6 or 6.5, maybe 8 megahertz. I don't remember. But this is a brand new computer. It's not like compatible with anything else. It's compatible with Foenix. Well, this series of Foenix computers. It's from Stephanie Allaire from Foenix Retro Systems. She makes these and designs these all herself. And there's a little community of folks on Discord making software for them. So let's take a look. Static shield, and then you can see the extra expansion RAM. This machine comes with 256K of flash memory and 256K of main RAM, and then you can optionally buy another 256K of RAM, which goes into basically a cartridge slot type operation on the board here. There. These are a couple slots for SID chips. You can use either original ones from your C64 or you can get a new build that people are making. SD card slot, so it does have a built-in SD card. Let's take a quick look at the ports. Got audio in, audio left, right, out. The SD card again, DVI. Video, so if you want to hook this up to a CRT monitor, you can find an adapter for that. VGA probably. You're probably not going to find an adapter to put this into some low 15 kilohertz Commodore monitor or something from the day. PS2 for the keyboard. And this, most interesting, is a Commodore IEC drive connector. So you have a 1541, 1571, 1581. You can plug it in and it will work with them. Also on here, I believe here there is some headers for, apparently you can plug in an actual Commodore 64 keyboard. And we'll use that in conjunction or in place of the PS2 keyboard. There is the... So what we're going to do, we need a box for this, a case for it, and some other things. So the keyboard, I'm going to use this crappy one. You could, of course, use a IBM Model M. I'm going to use a Dell, what is this? This is like a 2001 FPF or whatever it is. Really good for retro things. Pick them up when you get a chance, your Craigslist or something. Has a lot of connectors and backs there. You're going to need a power supply. You can use a nano power supply. I have a RTX one, a Pivia power supply, so make sure you can get that working. There we go. You also need a box or a case. I'm going to try this one. This is, if I can remember the name of this thing. This is a K29. Obviously a Chinese case. It's got an option for, it comes with a transparent top or a metal top. For whatever reason, it has some handles. I really like the orange and white. But see, I think the shortcoming is it's not going to have a reset switch on it. So we'll just have to see what happens there. Okay, well, I believe the instructions for this are to install the board first, and then the power supply. Okay. Well, I make out step 1, inspect it. Step 2, prepare your motherboard. Step 3, screw in the motherboard. Step 4, screw in the power supply, which they've drawn here. You got some screws there. Okay, I'm feeling better about that. Let's just do some quick testing here. Power there, so that's the way. I love the amount of flex required to insert this thing. Okay. Well, that is something. This is a momentary switch for the front, I think. So. Not sure we're going to use that. Okay. I forgot to prep a disk drive. Okay, so let's plug in some stuff here. That's gonna hold it on. Got little lights going on. Got the screen, tiny core, kernel, microkernel. This is the December 6th build. Today is the 23rd. And super basic from December 5th. I let go of the switch, it's going to go off, but because I have not hooked it up correctly. Let's see what we can do here. Quick program. Let's see what back to. Oh, so it looks like it's got insert mode on by default. Basic. I don't know why it's all green. I don't know if that's this color scheme, but I know that more recent builds of basic have a little different character set and a different color scheme. But you can see it does have syntax coloring, which is nice. So, yay! Okay, off she goes. All right, so we have the case put back together with the cover on it, and the wires all wrapped up nicely, and power switch in the correct place. So let's see what that's like. We turn it on. Now I'm gonna zoom in here a bit. There you go. Foenix Basic, Super Basic, Alpha Release 12. Current one is, I think, 18 or something. So a lot of changing. It's changing every day. It's a great little computer.